Alright, guys. Everybody say hi. These are my girls. That's Lola, guys. Let me introduce you, Lola. Say hi.
Lola.
Hi. This black one. This is Layla, the excited one. Say hi, Layla. Sit. And that's Momo. Hi, Momo. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's give them the eggies. Here, give me one. Grab Layla. Hold Layla.
Hold her?
Yeah, hold Layla. Okay. I'm going to do them one at a time, guys. You want to get Kai too?
Okay.
All right, sit. Stay. Actually, let me give Momo because I wish she can get away.
Okay.
Stay. Stay. Stay, Momo. Stay. Stay. She still hasn't got it yet, guys. Stay. Stay. Oh, she jacked it. Hold on, Lola. Come here, Lola. Sit. Sit, Lola. Sit. Stay. Shake. 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 Stay. Lola, sit. Sit. Good. Stay. Stay. Catch. Oh, she did not catch it. All right, you can let them go, baby.
All right.
You want to do Kai and Layla?
Come here, Kai.
Layla.
Layla. Kai, stay. Sit.
They're too excited about the eggs. They haven't had eggs in a while, guys.
Shake. 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 Good shake. Eat it. Oh!
She jacked you. Dang.
Can I? Thank you. All right, one more time. Because Daddy stole it back. Stay.
Momo, no.
Stay.
Shake.
Shake.
Good. Lay down.
Ah.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Let her eat it already.
No, you had yours.
Oh, remember, she only likes the yellow. Oh, damn. Momo just jacked her ass. She probably swallowed that shit already.
Momo.
Go, run. Run. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Okay.
Stay by her. That way the girls don't eat it. Kaida only likes the yellow part, guys. I totally forgot. It's been that long that we've given them eggs.
Dude, she completely disregarding the white part too.
I told you. It's alright. They can have the white part. Alright. And my Lola over here licking the juice from the eggies.
You ready, Kaka?
Go a little bit further that way. That way everybody can see you.
Sit. Shake. Okay.
Give me Kai. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. She's gonna bring him in, guys. Bring me the ball, Kai. Give me the ball. Toy. Toy. Give me the toy. Toy. She's sneezing. Hold on. She's too excited. Toy.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
It's okay, baby. Just throw it. Just throw it. There goes Lola. There goes Lola. Sorry if your eyes are gonna hurt because of the lights. Play with Layla. Play with Layla.
Come here, Layla.
Hey, hi, Layla. Hi. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Sit. Stay. 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 Go get it. Oh my God, these girls. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. But yeah, guys, that's my fur babies. That's my fur babies. That's our fur babies. Lola, kiss. Lola, kiss. 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 Oh, she gave y'all a kiss, guys. Give daddy a kiss. Oh, give daddy kisses, cabrona. Give daddy kisses, Lola. Kisses. Oh, bunch of kisses.
She's our
Bunch of kisses. What about mommy? Give mommy kisses. Oh, you give me a lot of kisses. Let me see, Kai. She wants me to throw the ball, guys. Oh, she took it away. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it with that. Just a quick little. That way y'all can meet our babies. For those that are new, my baby Kai, my Lola. Lola, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. No? Oh my God. Layla. Where are you, Layla? Momo, say bye. Layla.
She's behind you.
Say bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. Oh, yeah. Oh, what we got? What we barking at? Oh. What we barking at? That went in my mouth. What we barking at? Huh? What we barking at? All right. Bye, guys. Peace.
Peace.